Don from Pitch On Sports, and this is a quick video about Rivet Nuts. If you have to have a boat, either aluminum or fiberglass, where you do not have access to the back side of whatever surface you're attaching your mounting feet to, you can use Rivet Nuts. These are designed, this is a 1/4-20 Rivet Nuts, designed to flare out or swell up on the back side of the material. And you can install it with simple hand tools. So we're going to show you an example of how to do that right now. So if you had an aluminum boat, this is 1/8 inch material. And again, here's our Rivet Nut. So what you'll need for that are Rivet Nuts, a wrench to hold a 5/16 serrated flange nut. We use some number 10 nuts, flat washers, I mean, and then some 1/4 inch flat washers. We have a drill driver, a marker to mark our holes, and then a pilot hole. This is 3/16 drill bit, and then 25/64 drill bit. So you have to have the 25/64. You need the exact size hole so that the Rivet Nut will bite into the aluminum and not just spin on it. And then of course the drill. All right, so we'll get started. You would do this with the arch attached to the feet, but for this demonstration, we're simply going to place our foot wherever we want them to go, and then we're going to go in and, I'll do it on this one, we're going to go in and mark our centers with our pen straight down. So we know right where we're going to put our hole. We'll take our drill and our 3/16 drill bit and drill a pilot hole. I'll just do one of them for now. This one you want to be fairly straight up and down and pretty precise. We want a nice clean hole. So we'll place our Rivet Nut in the hole, and then what we do, we take our serrated flange nut that's going to go on the bottom. Then we're going to have some 1/4-20 nuts. Now these have been, or washers, these have been used before. I take a little bit of grease. The grease helps the washers spin a little bit. So we're going to put those on. And then we grease up some of our number 10 washers. So you can use this liberally. And I'm going to put a bunch of them on there. The better the stack, the longer this set of washers will last. Then last thing we're going to do is take our nut and we're going to put our bolt, and we're going to put our bolt in the grease and then run right through that whole stack. And then we're going to thread that down into our Rivet Nut. Take our wrench, put that on our 5/16 serrated nut, and an impact driver. Hold the wrench down to help keep everything down. And if we look underneath, we should see that it's flared up really nicely. It's up tight up against the metal. Then all we have to do is back off. We can leave our stack together, and we're ready for the next one. So that's the process. Thanks for looking at our video.